What if I told you that being the smartest person in the room won't make you successful? It's true. Extensive research has revealed that even in highly technical fields like engineering, about 15% of your financial success is due to your technical knowledge, and a massive 85% is due to your skill in human engineering. Yes, your personality and your ability to lead people matter far more than your technical skills. Today, we are breaking down the ultimate cheat code to human relationships so you can master tactical diplomacy, win friends, and massively increase your earning power. Let's start with the biggest mistake you are making every single day. If you want to gather honey, you don't kick over the beehive. We love to criticize people when they mess up, but here is a hard truth. 99 times out of 100, people don't criticize themselves for anything, no matter how wrong they may be. Even some of the most notorious criminals in history, like Al Capone and the ruthless cop killer Two-Gun Crowley, didn't see themselves as bad men, they actually regarded themselves as misunderstood public benefactors. If hardened criminals behind prison walls don't blame themselves, do you really think your coworker or your spouse is going to humbly accept your criticism? No. Criticism is dangerous because it wounds a person's precious pride, hurts their sense of importance, and immediately puts them on the defensive. Remember, when you deal with people, you are not dealing with creatures of logic, you are dealing with creatures of emotion, bristling with prejudices and motivated by pride. Instead of condemning people, let's try to understand them and figure out why they do what they do. So, if we can't criticize, how do we get people to change or work with us? Sigmund Freud and philosopher John Dewey stated that the deepest urge in human nature is the desire to be important. People crave appreciation so intensely that some people actually go insane just to find the feeling of importance in a fantasy world that they were denied in the harsh world of reality. The legendary industrialist Charles Schwab was paid a salary of over $1 million a year not because he knew the most about steel, but because of his ability to deal with people. His secret? He said the greatest asset he possessed was his ability to arouse enthusiasm among his people through appreciation and encouragement. Now, I'm not talking about cheap flattery. Flattery is counterfeit, selfish, and comes from the teeth out. I'm talking about honest, sincere appreciation. Stop thinking about yourself for 5 minutes and figure out the other person's good points. Be hearty in your approbation and lavish in your praise, and people will cherish your words for a lifetime. Now for the most practical tip of the video. Personally, I love strawberries and cream, but when I go fishing, I don't bait my hook with strawberries. Why? Because fish prefer worms. It sounds like common sense, but we almost never use this logic when fishing for people. You are eternally interested in what you want, but nobody else is. The rest of us are interested in what we want. The only way on earth to influence other people is to talk about what they want and show them how to get it. If you want your kids to stop smoking, don't preach at them about what you want, show them how cigarettes might keep them from making the basketball team. Before you speak, always pause and ask yourself, how can I make this person want to do it? Arouse in the other person an eager want, and you will have the whole world with you. Want to make people like you instantly? Here is your rapid-fire checklist. Become genuinely interested in other people. You can make more friends in 2 months by being interested in others than in 2 years of trying to get them interested in you. Smile. A smile says, "I like you, you make me happy, I am glad to see you." Use their name. Remember that a person's name is to that person the sweetest and most important sound in any language. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. A person's toothache means more to them than a famine in another country. Human engineering isn't about manipulating people, it's a new way of life based on empathy, kindness, and leaving a friendly trail of gratitude wherever you go. Try these techniques tomorrow and watch the magic happen. If you found this video valuable, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below with your favorite tip, and I'll see you in the next